Most businesses don't have automation systems, they have digital spaghetti. And if you're using a CRM like GoHighLevel, there's a good chance your workflows aren't helping you. They're lying to you. You set it up once, assume it's working, and move on. Meanwhile, half your workflows are firing at the wrong time, tagging the wrong people, or not firing all. And it's quietly killing revenue. This video is sponsored by GoHighLevel, and I'm going to show you the 5 biggest workflow mistakes I see every week and how to fix them before they cost you another dollar in lost leads and missed sales. Here's what nobody tells you about automation. Workflows require maintenance. Most businesses treat them like they're permanent fixtures instead of evolving systems. This creates silent failures that compound over time. The idea that good automation means you never touch it again, that's the first lie your workflows tell you. Even a perfectly built automation goes stale as your business changes, your audience shifts, and your offers evolve. Think about it this way. Automations are like leftovers. After a few days, they might still be fine, but you probably shouldn't trust them. But here's where it gets expensive. These silent failures, they're not just annoying, they're revenue killers. And most business owners have no idea it's happening until they audit their systems and realize they've been hemorrhaging money for months. The first mistake is destroying your data before you even realize it's happening. Dirty tagging equals dirty data. When your workflow logic collapses because tags are inconsistent, leads fall into the wrong sequences. You end up sending the wrong emails to the wrong people at the wrong time.